The Office of Technology Management is responsible for the university's intellectual property. So any research that's done on this campus, and currently there's about $600 million worth of research, typically there's intellectual property that arises from that research, and we're responsible for taking anything coming out of the university labs, looking at it, evaluating it, trying to determine whether or not it's patentable, looking for commercial opportunities, working with the faculty to have it protected, and then ultimately trying to market it and license it so that it can be transferred into the public good either as services or through small companies, have startup companies emerge and get the technology out into the marketplace.
Autonomic Materials, Inc., or AMI, was a really interesting company from the first time I heard about it. It's transformative in a space that really hasn't been known for high technology. Paints, coatings, always it'd been the old Navy thing, put another coat of paint on it. They had a technology that allowed a single coat, if you will, that could repair itself, fill cracks through a slow process of the polymers itself releasing the sealants. That was transformative, and that's the kinds of technologies we look for.
We realized they had wonderful technology. We figured it was novel, non-obvious, which means patentable. The professors really wanted to take stuff from where it was out to the outside world. Our job was to be there for them to support them. We don't develop things, we enable them essentially. So we patented it. We patented technology from them, but realized that patents are wonderful, but getting it from there to the outside world, to customers, is a long, long ways away. And so along came then Illinois Ventures. Then they formed a company called AMI, of course, that enabled the technology to have a home to be able to get funding and development, to go from the university to the final customers. So the company was formed. At that point it came to us and they said, we need a license from OTM to the patents to be able to actually take the patents and be able to make and sell a product with them. We enable that. OTM is part of the entire process at U of I, only one piece of the entire spectrum here. We had, of course, Illinois Ventures, we had Enterprise Works. We had one piece of this thing along the way here.
The OTM has been a critical component for us because we're a technology-driven company, and nothing starts without our exclusive license to the patented technology. We started in as an additive, a microencapsulated polymer additive for coatings to provide self-healing functionality. So we're continuing that ramp up. I'm glad to say that we had our first commercial sales in 2013. Yeah, we're pretty excited. We're building our team. We've got 8 people now. We're looking for a couple of more. I will tell you that of our 8 people, 75% have ties to the University of Illinois. They came through the pipeline. I will also tell you that all of the people that work for the company live in Champaign County, which I think is important, and we've added those jobs over the last 3 years. We've gone from 3 to 8, and we're looking for a couple more. So, you know, it's important to us to be a good member of Champaign-Urbana in the process of growing our business.